Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the radius of the circle is 5.2 centimeter and the arc length is 5.4 centimeter. What is the area of the sector? If the length of arc of a circle with radius 5.2 centimeter is 5.4 centimeter, then with that the area of the sector corresponding to that arc is given by the formula A equals to L into R divided by 2. L means length of arc, which is 5.4. R means radius of a circle, which is 5.2 divided by 2. After solving this, we get 14.04 square centimeters. Hence, area of the sector is 14.04 square centimeters.